Boatman Bob here. This is my new home. I'm officially homeless, but I got a bus. Spent 10 months on that. This is Big Blue. Finally got a name for her. She's doing me all right. The kids up, the boys up in the front are all three of my sons. I used to be a whitewater guide. That's how this whole Boatman Bob got started. My boys now kind of passed the mantle to them. The replaced the Bluebird sticker with a Bronco logo, and I'm a Denver Bronco fan, born and raised in Denver. And, why don't you come on inside here, we'll check it out. Sticker bar on the entrance, wait. Not really politically too correct on some of that. This front here is the Grand Canyon, floated on that a few years back. And into the bus, standard. Got a little bifold door here for shutting off my bulkhead here to the front for temperature control. Pride and joy is my wood stove. It's a dwarf, 4K dwarf. My son's a pipe fitter, fabbed up all this stainless in here, slapped it right in. It turned out real good. I'm real happy with this. Caveman TV.
There you go.
Right? I mean, I get a lot of satisfaction out of that wood stove. My claim to fame I haven't seen is the strut up here on the ceiling. This is mirrored on the roof, bolted through and mirrored here, so and supported with 2x6s here for weight, and it makes a great platform for anything you can do on the roof. Then all you got to do is make a framework and bolt it down. You've got all kinds of accessories that this channel accepts.
Yep.
I got all my eye bolts up there, so when I do my side tarps, they're already there. Boom, 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 throw a bungee on there. I'm using a Go Power system. This is the solar display here. This is the inverter display. Box, inverter, and batteries all underneath there. Just a 110 refrigerator. Didn't go with the RV fridge. There's another hole in the bus. Didn't want to do it.
Yeah.
And now that I got my inverter prongs worked out, this is I was gonna say don't do it, but I think this is gonna work.
Yeah.
Microwave, toaster.
How much solar do you have on the roof?
I got twin 160s.
Yeah.
It was a Go Power package. It was the Elite package, 2,000 watt inverter converter.
Yeah.
I'm going to add one more solar and double up my batteries with lithium. All you folks that care, you know, I got talked into using flooded. I wish I hadn't. These onboard air conditioners here, I don't know. I mean, I lost all my cupboard space there, and it only works when the bus is running. And I might pull all this stuff, Steve, to be honest with you. If you got both of them going, it sucks so much power on the bus, the performance, it overheats. You don't really need it. I'll run one. I might keep one of these, and the other one I might want to remove that. I've removed a lot of the ducting already across the bed here and across the nose of the fireplace there. I'm actually using the nose of this ducting as an air intake. In the back, I've got a big fan in this duct that pulls the air from the fireplace. And these are my returns here. I have one return here and one in the back that I can pull all the air from the fireplace and return it to the floor or to the back if I want to take a shower or something back there when we're in winter mode. But yeah, I sleep up here for the most part. The couch is nice. Very rarely do I have that set up with the cushions pulled out and a wraparound.
Wow, this is nice, man.
And the reason I did my bed in there is so I could get everything I own is in here, all my bug out. And this is in the summertime. This is what I'm using for an air conditioner. It's just a little portable unit, right? Got this. This is a YouTube thing here, a horse trough bathtub. Mine is I hang it up when I'm done, but I got a little Pez fitting here I use for my wraparound. Standard RV shower, whatnot.
Right.
And I had this plumbed in one time. I can plumb it in. I got actual plumbing under here. But now it's only 2 gallons. I just dump her out the back.
Sure.
I'm using a portable toilet. I'm going to go with some kind of these composting things I've been seeing. But
Right.
I like the $5 bucket as opposed to a $1,000 pre-made.
Right.
So I'm going to do something like that, I think. This worked for me. One person,
Right.
you can get by. 2 people, no. You're digging a hole every couple days.
Right.
Now I'm like 5 or 6 days. I got to go dig a hole.
Okay.
That's acceptable.
Well.
This is my beer solution. When I thought my refrigerator wasn't working right, it was actually.
Right. Well,
I
thank you
got
for
the
the.
beer. Do you want a beer? Anybody want a beer?
Hey, I'll take a beer.
Yeah, there we
I
go.
haven't had a beer in like a month.
Well, holy cow, I'm out of ice, but you know.
Well, thank you for the tour.
Yes.
Enjoy your beer.
Boatman Bob on the road, man.
Do you have any YouTube or any kind of social media stuff? All right. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.